Hello guys, welcome once again to Traders Delight. How have you been? And hope you have been getting amazing results from all your activities. I hope you enjoyed the last video I made on passive income, and I hope you have tried those five approach that you can easily raise $50 for those who are interested in being a trader. And I can't wait to hear all your results. Today, I'm going to be taking you through a personal experience. But before we go into that, if you are new, kindly subscribe to this channel. And if you are old, quickly the like button and then comment and let me know what you think about this video. I want to tell you today how I made $228 passive income using a simple method. I know many people out there on YouTube have told you, oh, passive income, but this is a personal experience. So I believe if you can follow what I did, then you should be able to get the same result. All right. So this is the approach I use, and sincerely, most of the money I earned from this approach, it's always coming while I'm sleeping. So most of the time, it's not active activity. So the one for yesterday came in, and I'm going to show you something so you can understand better. All right, let's go into this. Now this is the commissions I've received. You can see the date. Look at the last date there. The last one I received was as at the 1st of December. That was yesterday. So what I'm telling you is very, very real. Yesterday, a bit before yesterday rather, or depending on the time frame where you are. So what I'm telling you is very, very real. So if you can apply this, I kid you not, you should also be having similar result like this. So let's go into it. Now, to set up your own platform so that you can have such income, you need to understand some few steps. So the first step is this: I have taken the pain of putting the link in my description. So the first link in my description, go right now, click the first link in my description and open an account. Use a very good email that you can remember. So open an account with that link. If you have an account already, fine. If you don't, just go ahead and open an account now. That's the first step. Be practical about it. Go and do it now. Go to the link. The first link, I'm going to label it first link. Then I'm going to label as well the second one if there's any need for you to do that. So open an account right now. So once we are done with that, you'll come back and then you go to the second link. Open an account. However, this time around, try to open the second link account with the same email that you used for the first link. Open the second link account with the same email that you used for the first link. Now, the reason I'm saying this is so that it will be easy for you to make money without stress. So it will be easy, because the third step you understand better when you get to the third step. So go ahead now, use the same email to open an account using this second link. All right, so let's go forward. All right, now that you have done the two, there is a way you want to link it. Now, if you have opened the second account with the same email, you log in to the second account, and in that second account, click on finance. Open the tab. In your dashboard tab, there will be a tab there that's on finance. Click on finance, and then you will be able to link the first account and the second account together with an account. There will be a number you will get from the first link. That is the number you're going to input to the payout method in the second account. All right. So I want you guys to be practical. Go ahead and do it now. You are going to see it there. Go ahead and do it now. So you're going to put in the number. That number you're going to get will be your account number in the first link. The first account you open, the account number, you're going to take it from there, and then you're going to place it under the finance tab, payout options. You're going to payout instruction. You're going to put it there as your payout method. All right. Once you do that, then you are good to go. All right. So the fourth one is now for you to start earning. Now, earning using this, the reason why I'm giving you the information in a practical form like this is because many of you just read and say, okay, I will do it. If you want to really understand what is behind the first account, the second account, you take a practical step and do it now. Then you can see how you can make the money immediately. So now what you have to do now is this. The last step you need to do is the second account will give you a link. The second account will give you a link, and once you have that link, all you need to do now is to go to any high traffic site, either a social media platform or a website, anywhere, or even on your WhatsApp. If you think you have high traffic on your WhatsApp, then paste the high traffic that link in that high traffic site in a place that others can see it, and then go and sleep. That's all. Once you paste it there and people can click on it and access it, the rest is history. So as people transact using you, as they go ahead using your link to do the necessary thing they need to do, while you sleep, you just realize that your commissions keep coming in, just like mine as well. All right, for those who have taken the steps, you would have seen that it's as easy as I've described it. So take a practical step. Making money while you sleep, passive income, require you to take action upfront, and then later on the result will start coming. All right, that's my result. How I got the amount I told you, $228. You can see I recap. You open the first link, you can see that's the commission that keeps coming every single day. Every single day. Don't say it's a scam. You try it and see if it's a scam, and then you come and tell me if it was a scam or it wasn't. All right. So open the first account with the first link. Open the second account with the second link. Try and use the same email for the two accounts. Then try to link the two accounts. There's an account number you will get from the first account, which you are going to paste in the finance tab under the second account. And once I've done that, the second account will give you a link. So paste that link in any high traffic site where people can see it, and then click on it. And once they do that and they do go ahead with the activity on the site, you keep earning commission every single day. All right, I hope you guys gotten value from this. Be a doer, not just a hearer. Don't sleep on it. Go and start taking action right now. All right, take care. Bye.